I'm currently on a movie set that was supposed to be destroyed 45 years ago. I have met the legends, I have had my film debut, and I've discovered the secrets of the world's weirdest ghost town. But to get to this colorful chaos, I had to leave the most silent place in Malta. Mdina is peaceful, ancient, and feels like a totally different planet compared to where we are going right now. To get from the medieval history of Mdina to the cartoon world of Popeye, you've got to hop on the local bus. Bus ride takes you across the rugged Maltese landscape. Pro tip, if you're doing this, grab a window seat on the left side for the best views of the coast as you approach the north. Okay, so let's talk facts. In 1979, Disney and Paramount teamed up for the Popeye live-action movie starring Robin Williams. They didn't want a studio lot, they wanted a real village, so they picked Anchor Bay. Every single piece of wood you see, it didn't come from Malta because Malta has almost no forest. They had to ship hundreds of logs all the way from Netherlands and Canada.
Each adult ticket is for 15 euros per person. Along with the ticket, you get one voucher each, which give you some free popcorn and 2 postcards for free. So whenever you will get the ticket at ticket counter, you will get such pamphlet. So here they have given all the timings. So around it's 1 o'clock now. So at 1:10 we are having this show, Meet the Villagers, and explore the film set. And this is the location. So according to the location, you can go to the respective location. So this is very helpful and handy to explore the village. I think your Malta trip may be incomplete without visiting this, because this is a very much different experience. If you are a fan of Popeye cartoon or you have ever seen in your childhood, you should definitely come here.
Village also have these interesting board games to entertain kids and adults at the same time. You can burn off your energy with interactive play zone sections. It's time to watch a short film with popcorns. Every day, the village holds a take-two filming session where we become the cast. I officially shot my debut movie today. We are talking scripted lines, choreographed fights, and a whole lot of overacting.
Do you also want to be a part of this film set? Then you have to shoot with them together for this 25 minutes of film.
Just like I did, you can buy soft copy of recorded movie for 5 euros. The vibe here isn't just tourist attraction. It's full-blown surrealism. One minute you're walking through a 1920s cartoon, the next you are pulled into a choreographed flash mob with all the Popeye characters. Throughout the day, these characters don't just stand there for photos. They host live animation shows. They aren't pre-recorded. It's high energy and improvised. Reason this place is so lively because you are in them, you are dancing, you are playing, and for few hours you are a part of Popeye's universe.
What a wonderful experience, guys. You should come to Popeye Village. If you are a Enthu cutlet like me, then definitely visit the Popeye Village. Popeye Village from the main attractions of Malta is pretty far, so you need to change maybe 2 or 3 buses depending on where are you visiting earlier or where are you staying. Earlier we were in Mdina, then Rabat. So from Rabat we took, I think, TD1 bus in the direction of Chirkeva. And then we got down at Adnau, and from Adnau we took the 101 bus. And here we are signing off from Popeye Village, Popeye the Sailor Man.
We ended our day with watching some sunset shades in Sliema and decided to dive into some traditional Maltese food. You can't leave this island without trying the local flavors. So thanks for hanging out with me and Popeye Village today. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the rest of this Malta journey. Until then, bye.